Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the unboxing and try on of this beauty, and this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pricked collection and Supreme glosses and also the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to do the swatches and try on and all of that good stuff. Yay, finally my palette has arrived, so I'm really excited for that. I have been waiting for that for really long, so finally it has arrived. So we're going to do the swatches and try on and all of that good stuff. So how are you guys? So how is your day going on so far? Hope you're having an amazing day. So let's see what we have. So okay, so here is how it looks. The first thing that I see is this. Look at this, how wild this is. Here she is. Wow, this looks like a handbag, like a purse or handbag that you would wear like this. Yeah. Also have this kind of gold clasp. So this is how it looks. Here is the palette. How nice is that? This also feels like leather. I don't think that's leather, I think, but still it just looks and feels like leather. And this feels like a handbag. I just wish this is a handbag, and once we are done with the colors, I think I could just wear it like this as handbag and just use for my phone. Okay, so you're ready for the palette. Okay, so this just is like this, so you could use this to do your makeup, I guess. So this itself is like a vanity. So here it has the mirror, and here is the eyeshadows. So here are the eyeshadows. Wow, how pretty is that? Wow. So the first row, I'm going to go from here, the first row, and this is the pale in comparison. So this one right here is the fashion 4, and this is silver of sanity, and cutting edge, vitamin C word, unpeeled pleasure, pulp addiction, mysterious circumstances, papaya latex, and this one is orange fatal, twisted taste, thorny, forged, double crossed, unblended, glimmer of hope, slice me open, and deadly intentions. Going to go in with the Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush. I'm going to go in with Slice Me Open on either sides of my eyelid. Yeah, this is like a really nice kind of pigmented, you could see, just like one dip and it looks really nice. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyelid as well. Next I'm going to go in with this, and this is forged and with again a blending brush, and this is tapered blending brush Luxie 205. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to take it outside like so. With a precision eyelid, I'm going to take this orange fatal. See that orange? It's how pretty that looks. and I'm going to use this same color kind of combination even to my lower lash. First thing that I'm going to go with my lower lash is that Slice Me Open. To my lower lash, I'm going to go in with the orange feather in here. I love this color, it's just like that bright orange. And to my center, I'm going to go with this, that is a Deadly Intentions. So this is like a black with sparkle, and I have seen like the YouTube influencers use all the colors but not this, so I want to see like how this looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, let's see. On top of that, we're going to go in with this, that is the Fashion Hour, and this is how it looks. Want to see the magic now? See that? Black with orange. How pretty it looks. It reminds me of pumpkin, but so far no fallout whatsoever, if you could see. To my this corner, I think I want to use this Pulp Addiction. I really like this Pulp Addiction into this inner corner, so mixed with that existing pink, it gave me this like nice, like that sparkle of pink, really amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to complete my rest of the makeup, maybe like black eyeliner. So I'm going to use this black eyeliner and also the falsies, and I'll be back. This is how it's looking so far, and I think I want to do one of these colors to my temples, so I'm thinking of papaya latex. So just checking a little bit and taking it to my temples to give that warmth. To my blush, Unpeeled Pleasure highlighter. Let's see what I can use. Pulp Addiction, let's see how that looks. See that? Wow. For lip, so I have all the Supreme glosses that I'm going to do the swatches maybe in my next video, since this is going to be kind of long video. Since this is calling my name, I'm going to put this on. I was kind of thinking like to get either Velour liquid lipsticks or the Supreme gloss, but I am more interested in Supreme gloss because I really like the formula of this, and this is hot headed. Even though it's gloss, it has that like a lipstick kind of coverage. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you watch the video till the end, you might enjoy my video, so consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos that you want to see in future. And well, that's it for today, guys. See you guys in my next video. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.